Welcome back to Darlie's World, and on today's video we are sponsored by Teddy Blake.
Ted Blake is where dreams meet Italian luxury. Their monthly collection features handbags crafted by top Italian designers, ensuring unique styles for every preference. Made from premium leather, they prioritize in quality details and innovating designs. Ted Blake eliminates the hefty design label mark, bringing you exquisite handbags without breaking the bank.
And we are going to try on 3 different outfits with this bag. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Teddy Blake for obviously sponsoring this video and sending us this absolutely fantastic bag. Also, I'd like to say the box within itself is absolutely luxurious. These are one of those boxes, it's got like a magnet thing here. One of those boxes that you'd actually keep. It's not one of those boxes that you just like get the item and throw away. It's one of those boxes that you keep. So guys, your guys gonna get, they've obviously just opened the box, but I haven't actually opened the bag. So you guys are gonna get my natural reaction from this bag. So let's get it open. It's been really well wrapped. You can smell the leather. Look at the dust bag. The dust bag is really nice. It feels like soft cotton. Definitely a, oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh. It's got like these nice little gold buckles that you can close the bag. It says Teddy Blake, New York there. And I can see it's quite versatile. You can wear it over the shoulders. Oh gosh, oh, I love the inside. The inside, guys, let's take out this paper. The inside is the inside is basically all suede. Very well made, you can tell by the stitching. And I love this. Basically inside the bag, there's a zip. So some bags don't have like the zip at the corner, and then you can also wear it as like a strap. Absolutely love this bag. It is so cute and it's so dinky and just like me, pretty, so pretty. Such a nice bag. You can smell the leather on it. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to show you 3 outfits how to style this bag. It is such a cute bag, and again, thank you for sending me this bag. So let's get started. So with our first outfit, as you can see, I've picked this lovely doll dress with these lovely flat Elias shoes, and look how perfectly the contrast of the all black and the little spike of color on this dress just makes it absolutely delicious. Give you a little twirl there, and the bag fits so much inside. It's one of these small bags that can fit a lot inside, which I really like. And you can see, guys, how well it goes. So you can really dress it if you're going out for a brunch, if you're going to get your nails done, if you're looking for a lovely Mother's Day gift. And I think Mother's Day has gone in America, but it hasn't gone in England. So if you want to get your mother something lovely, it's very versatile, this bag, I have to say. So no matter what kind of age group you are, you can definitely find use for this bag. And then our next outfit, guys, I love this dress. So this is if you want to dress it up a bit. I've gone for the all white look. I've gone, all white. If you're going out for like a fancy dinner, if you're just, going somewhere a little bit more, a bit more racy. Yes, I've wore it with this dress, all white, and again the bag. We want the bag to kind of be the feature of our outfit. That's why I've kind of let the bag speak for itself, because the bag is such a beautiful, it's not like a bright red in your face, it's like a little deep red, which is really nice, and it feels really nice holding it. As you can see me holding it here, just doing my stuff, strutting along. I really love it. And with our third outfit, our third and final last outfit, I have got this suit to also show you contradicting myself on what I said earlier, it can also go with colour. Yes, I've picked this two-piece kind of suit. So kind of suit, if you're going to work, if you're going to uni, if you're going to college, wherever you're going, you can also wear it quite formal but also casual. Let me guys know in the comments what outfit you like the best out of the 3 outfits. And also guys, Teddy Blake have been kind enough to send us a unique code so you can get some money off this wonderful bag. So make sure you click on the link below and you go and you purchase this bag. Yes, they've got lovely loads of different types of bags, which is absolutely amazing. So make sure you go and check them out. Till next time guys, Dolly's World, bye. Mwah.